Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Yandere Sister Just Want Me to Coax Her, chapter 38. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Gusing and Mengyan, the two of them still sleeping. Suddenly, there's someone springing. Mengyan's phone was ringing. Who could it be? Mother? Well, let's see. Gusing's father. Since Gusing has been wanted by her father, right now it seems that he's really sleeping well, but suddenly, Gusing, she feels awakened. It was super loud. On the other hand, Mengyan's phone was really ringing too loud. Gusing, she stood up. I'm so annoyed. It was early in the morning. What's going on? I was calling to make sure that you are safe. Muyang is asking her. Well, definitely. She really gets angry. But Gusing said to Muyang, they're just fine. Muyang, well, definitely, she didn't see who's the caller and only answered her. Why it's Gusing who answered the phone? Isn't this Mengyan's phone number? She dropped off the phone quietly. Probably, she was really worried. But right now, it really makes sense. For Gusing, why do you care? We are all alive and I'm not dead. Now, it really makes sense. Gusing, she was really angry. And right now, it was Muyang. She looks really confused. She was only worried about Mengyan, but it was Gusing who answered her phone. Now, she's been rejected. But suddenly, looking at her, it seems that this girl was here again. Well, the bodyguard won't leave her alone, especially right now. But Muyang said, no, no. Definitely, the bodyguard will ready to protect her all the time. But it was Muyang. She was really different. Young master, you have been following me like tails since I got off. The bodyguard said to Muyang. But Muyang, of course, right now, she was really thinking hard about what happened last night. Did I really not offend you last night? Nothing, nothing, nothing at all. Fortunately, she forgot, otherwise it would be so embarrassing. But right now, Muyang was thinking, but, of course, Muyang, remembering what happened last night now, she was really blushing. It's like everything is imprinted in my mind and I keep recalling it. Well, definitely, she is. Right now, Muyang, what can she do to be able to erase those memories? I couldn't help following her, wanting to see her, even I want to be. There's no way I'm a bad girl right now. Suddenly, Muyang was still on the floor, but the bodyguard seems to be looking at her so gently. Hey guys, there's a part 2. Wait for it. I will upload it in the morning. There's a little problem, so I will fix it first. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!